Hi everybody, how's it going? Today I'm in the Fochteloërveen as a guide because a group of people have booked a tour through the local nature guide website, and I'm here a bit early to do some preparations. Sadly, I found the breeding pair whoopie here on the field, which means that the breeding has failed this year after raising 3 young last year. The short-toed snake eagle is a medium-sized eagle that specializes in catching reptiles. So in the Netherlands it is mainly seen in areas like the Hoge Veluwe, the Dungelderveld, and since 2001, with the exception of 2004, each year up to a maximum of 4 birds at one time are seen in the Fochteloërveen. Although pair forming and even courtshipping has been seen in the area, we are still waiting for the first breeding record of this species in our country. During the preparation, in 15 minutes I saw a hobby, 2 short-toed snake eagles and a white-tailed eagle flying overhead. Let's hope we will all see them during the excursion. Here you can see the typical hunting behavior of the short-toed snake eagle, hovering in one place by flapping its wings. This way, it creates a lookout for itself to search for snakes in the area. Typical of this species is that it lets its legs hang while hovering. Just one day after the excursion, news broke that the white-tailed eagle has successfully bred in the Fochteloërveen for the first time, adding another breeding species to the already large and still growing list of breeding species in the Fochteloërveen. The excursion turned out to be pretty fun. We went for a hike of 2 hours in the area, and luckily I refound the short-toed snake eagle for all the participants to see. And later one of the participants even found a adult white-tailed eagle, so that was pretty cool. We also saw 2 redback shrikes and some more common birds. Now if you ever wanted to go birding in the northern parts of the Netherlands and you need a guide, please visit my local nature guide page in the link below. Or you can email me at thedutchbirder@gmail.com. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time.